As you already know, most traders face the issue of not having enough capital to trade with. That's why they look for prop firms to buy. Most times they end up buying the wrong prop firm that doesn't suit their rules. They end up buying very cheap prop firm that might just end up crashing. Most of them don't even know how to pay for prop firm. So that's why in this video, as someone that has used prop firm, that's currently using a prop firm that has paid over $50 million in payout, I'm going to show you step by step how you can buy a very good prop firm that is going to pay you out, and how you can check the rules to make sure it fits your trading style. So if you're just joining this channel, you don't know who I am. My name is Ewa. I make videos about tech, forex trading, finance, building online business, and I'm currently documenting my journey to $1 million in prop firm funding here on YouTube. I drop those videos every single week. You can check it out. So let's get into the main content of this video, which is how you can get your prop firm. Even though you don't know what a prop firm account is, I'm going to show you the benefits of it and what it actually is, if it's something for you. Before we get into the video, I would like you to subscribe to the channel and like, so that you don't forget doing it after getting value from this video. So this is the point where you need to pay attention to the marks. Don't skip any part, don't forward any part. Watch to the end from this part, because there are so many things that I missed out that made me almost lose funds buying this account. So pay attention. So for those of you that don't even know what a prop firm account is, it's basically a company that gives you capital to trade. Instead of you trading your small account, you can get a large account like a $5,000 account, but you have to pay a small fee to get that account, and you also have to prove that you are profitable to get a live $5,000 account. How do you prove it? They give you a phase. They give you one phase or two phase or three phase. With a one phase challenge, you have to make like 8%. If you can make 8% without losing a certain amount, they'll be able to give you $5,000 live, which you cannot withdraw, but you can trade and split the profits with the prop firm. So the prop firm I use is Alpha Capital. They have paid $50 million this year. Over $50 million, which is a lot. A lot of prop firms have not done that. That's why it's trusted. That's why you should use it. The first step you should do now, for listening very well, the first step, go to the link in the description. The first link in the description, you click on it. The link ends with this. It ends with Aaron Tech. That's my referral link. That means you are getting a bonus if you are signing up with that link. So go to the link after watching the video, not right now, but after watching the video. Once you come to this page, you're going to see this. You're going to see sign up, sign in. So I've already signed up. Sign up is very simple. Put your name, phone number, very simple stuff. So I've already signed up. So I'm going to click on sign in. So simply log in. So pay attention here, guys. I want to show you something. So once you get your account, you know how to use the platform. So you can see there are so many things here. It's not like other platforms. They provide you with so many details about your trading. See advanced insights. Now you can see all the pairs I've traded. It's through this platform I was able to know that gold was my most profitable pair. That's why I stuck with gold, because I was trading Alpha Capital Group prop firm, because I saw it. They showed me all the data. You can see this is my chart analysis, like my equity curve, every single, so many info. This is just like very little, so many info right here. So what's the step about getting your account now? If you want to buy the account, first thing you click here, this menu bar here, then you see this page. If you don't click on get started has a lot of videos that will just show you about the prop firm and stuff. I'm already explaining it here, so you make sure you pay attention. So you click on funding evaluation instead. So once you click on funding evaluation, you get to this page. On this page, you can see there's a 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. They give you so many things to choose from. So listen very well at this point, because this is where it gets a bit confusing, and so many people come to my DM to ask me questions but I don't know what to do here. So make sure you listen very well now as I'm showing you like this. So you can see on the 1 step, you can, let's say 1 step means that you just have to pass one phase, one challenge, reach one profit target, and you can get your live funded account. 2 step means you have to pass 2 challenges, usually 8% and 10%. 3 step means you have to pass three challenges. So why all this? The higher the step, the cheaper the account. So let's say you are getting a 1 step. I would recommend you guys to get 1 step. If you have money, get 1 step, but if you don't have like much, get 2 step, but try to save and get a 1 step account. It's very good, so that once you pass phase 1, you can be able to get funded. So let's say, for example, I'm getting the $5,000 account. I'll just click on 5,000. Then there's the MT5 C Trader. MT5 simply means the platform you'll be trading on. Most platforms don't even have MT5. They'll tell you MT4, they'll tell you C Trader, they'll show you so many other things, but MT5 is very good, which means you can log in with MT5. So you click on MT5, then you can see raw spread, commission, EAUs, no, blah blah. All these things sound confusing, but let me simplify it for you. Raw spread simply means there will be no spread on your account. If you are trading, there's nothing like spread for you. If you're already a trader, you already know what spread is. So no spread on your account, but there's something commission, they'll charge you commission. So just go with the no commission ones. It's okay, no commission. But if you are scalping, if you are trading a scalp strategy, lower time frame, you might need raw spread so you don't get stopped out. But if you know how to calculate your stop loss and everything, you can go with no commission. So I like no commission. EA use means that if you are going to use a robot to trade it, or if you are giving one of those people that use robot to pass your account, you can click on EA. So but if you are not using robot, click on no. Then you just have to enter your name, then you enter your details. That's all. So you can come down here. This is where it gets very interesting. You can see the price. If you change anything here, if you change this one to $10,000 now, you see that the price automatically change. If you change this one to $5,000, you see that the price changed to 50. This is where you can use my discount code to get a discount. If you just simply click on Aaron Tech, you are going to get a discount. You're going to get a nice discount. You can see you can get your, instead of $50, you're paying $45. Without the discount code, you can't get this profit for this low. I'm even going to try to message them so they can make the discount even larger. So make sure you get, because if they give me a larger discount, they're not going to leave it for long. So make sure you get it on time. So you just have to agree to this document after putting the code. You can go through the document, but it's not really that much. You can go through the document if you have time, but it's not really that important like that because the rules are very simple. If you want to see more about the rules, just go through the document. You see everything there. Copy it and give it to AI. Tell AI to any AI at all, ChatGPT, to point out the most important things. Then you can know about the rules. So that's one tip. So make sure you subscribe for that tip that I've given you. For example, if you don't have a dollar card, because I'm very sure that the website does not allow you to use your normal Nigerian bank card to pay in Naira. So what do? You have to pay with crypto. How do you pay with crypto? You come to this section. Instead of checkout.com, click coin payments. Click on coin payment. Then you select the coin you are going to use to pay with. So I would advise you to use USDT Tron, which means that USDT TRC network. So that's what USDT Tron means. That means you can simply use USDT to pay. And how do you get the USDT coin? Once you see, even though you have Naira in your bank, you can send me a DM on WhatsApp. You can send me cash, then I'll send you USDT token. You can use it to buy. So very simple. So you just have to install Binance or Bybit. So I will advise you install Bybit instead. Then you send me a DM on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is in the description, it's in the comment section. I'll put it on the screen as well. Send me a message, then I can sell the USDT coin to you. Then you just use it to purchase. So that would be the best instead of checkout. But if you have a dollar card and you have dollar in your account, you can use checkout.com. But if you don't have, use coin payments. So what do? You click on proceed. So once you click on proceed, this is the page you are being taken to. You can see there's 44.9914. This is how much you are supposed to send. Well, I advise you not to send this exact amount. Yes, this is where experience comes in. I'm telling you now. Instead of sending 44.99, send 45. Send 45, or else your money might hang and you start getting confused. You might even abandon it and end up losing your money just trying to get a Profem account. So you have to send it within this amount of time. What happens if you send less than 45, or if you go and send this exact amount? They might tell you something. You can see, make sure you send enough to cover any coin transaction fee. They are being charged a fee, so make sure just send 45. If you can, send 46. Just to avoid anything, just send 46 so you don't have any issues. But there's something, what about if you don't send enough? If you don't send enough, you just have to still send again to complete the payment. So don't worry if you send 45 and it's not enough, but I believe 45 is enough as well. So just add an extra $1 on top. Just add an extra $1 for safety. If it's not enough, you just they will provide you with a wallet to complete the payment. So once you have made the transfer, now you have purchased the USDT from me, you have made the transfer to their address. What do? You click on this page. Now you can see they wrote it there, so you click on this page. This is where you check your transaction status. As you can see on the transaction status page, I've not sent any coin payment yet. That's why it's still showing pending, and I still have 1 hour to send. So I'm not purchasing now because I've already purchased an account. Once you send it to get confirmed that you receive your receipt. So once your payment is confirmed, you can just come back to the dashboard. You click here, then you click on dashboard. Once you click on dashboard, you will see your account here. You can see these are the accounts I have. Then you just have to click on credentials. Then you see your credentials. You take it to your MT5 login, start trading. Make sure you follow a plan. If you are getting a $5,000 account, know that the maximum drawdown is $500, meaning that you should not lose more than $500. Divide that $500 by 10. 500 divided by 10, $50. So just risk $50 per trade to make to make $100, or if your risk reward is more, you can make $150 if you're risking $50. Just make sure to keep your risks constant. This means that after losing 10 trades, that's when you'll be able to lose your account. But if you want to pass the account faster, make sure just risk $100 per trade. Then with 2 trades you can pass the account. But the only downside is that if you lose 5 trades in a row risking $100, you are going to blow the account. If you want to pass the account faster, I would advise using that method of risking very high and being very disciplined with that risk and the reward ratio. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, share to your friends who want to buy Profem account. Send me a message if you have any other confusion, or drop your questions in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.